Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to pay off an overdraft on your Lloyds Bank account. To demonstrate, I'll be making a transfer from one of my own accounts to another account that currently has an overdraft. In this case, I'll be sending money to an account under my name, but keep in mind that a payment can come from any bank account as long as the sender has your correct sort code, account number, and full name. Let's get started. First, go to the Payments section in your Lloyds Bank app. I'm going to choose the account that has €5 available and use that to pay the account with the overdraft. Next, I'll enter the amount I want to transfer. Once I've double-checked everything, I'll confirm the transaction. And just like that, the overdraft has been paid off. It's a quick and simple process, and you can repeat this anytime you need to clear an overdraft on your Lloyds Bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching.